In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to HubSpot content. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, upload your video to HubSpot. Head to the Content menu and select Video. From there, choose Add Videos and pick where you want to bring the file from, your computer, Descript, or HeyGen. Uploading from your computer is straightforward. Select the file and wait for it to finish processing before you move on. If you're using Descript or HeyGen, connect or import the file per those services prompts so the video shows up in your HubSpot video library. Next, open the content you want to enhance with video. This could be a website page, a landing page, an email, or a blog post. Go into the editor for that piece of content so you can place the video exactly where you want it. Now add the video module into your layout. In the editor, go to the Media section. If you prefer the toolbar, use Insert and then choose Video. Drag the video module onto the page where it belongs. Positioning it early in the layout usually helps engagement, but place it according to the visual flow of your page. After dropping the module in place, select the video to use. Look to the right sidebar and find the video type option. Choose HubSpot Video, then click Browse Videos to pull up the files you previously uploaded. If you haven't uploaded the right file yet, you can upload a new one from this dialog, and it will appear in your library. Select the video you want and confirm the choice. Customize the player so it matches your brand and user experience goals. Use the toolbar to edit the player's color, alignment, and size. Make sure the size is responsive or set to a width that works on both desktop and mobile. If you want viewers to take action, add calls to action or a form by using the pencil icon to edit the video's details. This is where you can prompt signups, direct viewers to another page, or collect lead information without creating friction. When you're satisfied with placement and player settings, click Apply in the editor to insert the video into your content. Finally, publish or update your website page, landing page, email, or blog post so the embedded video goes live. After publishing, preview the page and test playback across devices to ensure everything looks and performs as expected.